Today we're going to show you how to spot clean a Marc Jacobs tote bag. You will need washing up liquid, a soft bristled brush, both warm and cool water, and possibly stain remover. Step 1. Mix washing up liquid and warm water in a bowl. Step 2. Use a soft bristled brush to brush the stain in circular motions. If the stain doesn't lift, use fabric stain remover and follow the instructions on the packet. Step 3. Rinse with cool water to remove the suds. Leave to air dry away from direct sunlight and heat. All done. Enjoy using your lovely clean Marc Jacobs tote bag.